Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact structural roadmap to legally launch, establish, and register your limited liability company right here in the state of South Carolina. Moving through this formal process step by step will give you complete peace of mind, secure your personal assets, and save you from paying expensive, unnecessary third-party corporate processing agencies. Your entrepreneurial journey officially starts with choosing a legally compliant and entirely unique corporate name. Under state regulations, your chosen name must be completely distinct from any other business currently registered in the state database, and it must explicitly conclude with a formal designator, such as Limited Liability Company, LLC, or simply the initials LLC. Before you submit a single piece of formal paperwork, you need to navigate directly to the South Carolina Secretary of State website and run a comprehensive business entity name search to ensure your exact name is available. If your name matches or is confusingly similar to an active corporation, your filing will be instantly rejected, so make sure it is totally clear. Once your name is verified, your next mandatory legal requirement is appointing a South Carolina registered agent. This person or registered agency acts as your company's official legal point of contact and must maintain a verified physical street address within the borders of South Carolina to receive official state correspondence, tax notices, and legal documentation during regular daily business hours. You can legally choose to name yourself or a business partner as your own registered agent, but keep in mind that doing so places your personal address on the public state registry, which is why many privacy-focused business owners choose to hire a professional third-party registered agent service instead. With your name locked in and your registered agent chosen, you are now fully prepared to submit your foundational corporate paperwork, which is known as the Articles of Organization. You can easily complete and file this paperwork online through the official Business Entities Online portal managed by the South Carolina Secretary of State. The online filing process carries a total state fee of $125, which includes the base statutory fee and a standard electronic records processing charge. Inside this digital form, you will input your exact business name, your physical principal office address, your registered agent's details, the names of the organizers, and your selected corporate management structure, which will be either member-managed or manager-managed. After you sign digitally and complete the payment, the state typically reviews and fully approves your online application within just 1 to 2 business days. Once your approval email arrives with your official state document number, your legal entity is officially recognized. Immediately after receiving this approval, you should complete 2 critical operational steps. First, go directly to the official IRS website to apply for your Employer Identification Number, commonly known as an EIN. This tax ID is completely free to obtain, takes less than 10 minutes to set up online, and acts as a Social Security number for your business. Second, use your approved Articles of Organization and your brand new EIN to open a dedicated business checking account at your local bank. Keeping your personal finances and your business transactions completely separated is the absolute gold standard for maintaining your limited liability protection shield. Fortunately, South Carolina is incredibly business-friendly, meaning once your LLC is established, the state does not require you to file an annual report or pay an ongoing state franchise tax to keep your business in active status. By systematically executing these specific steps, you will officially own a fully compliant, legally protected business structure ready to scale across the Palmetto State. Subscribe the channel for more videos.